How to turn off location service on Scout. Are you guys facing issue to turn off location on Scout application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn off location on Scout, first of all, open the Scout app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you open the app, you will be able to view this option called location service on your app. If it isn't available on your mobile home screen, then just simply go back to your home screen page. Now, enter the app settings on your device. Once you enter the settings, select Apps. After you click on Apps, scroll down and head over to Scout application. Once you enter this interface, you can see this option for permission. Tap on permission. After you click on permission, toggle this option for locations. After you turn off the location, your location service on Scout application will be turned off. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to turn off location on Scout. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.